So this is the first assignment. I have highlighted this one, text completion. So these are the sample questions which I have given, just a shortcut, like on click of this, it displays the puts that text into this text box. That's it. Otherwise, you can write down your own questions. Rahul Gandhi's father name is, like, you need to give him scope to complete that statement and click on generate text. So it has written Rajiv Gandhi, right? So this is what is the text completion. So you can click on any of the options and you can see. But yeah, so one thing, these APIs, these ChatGPT APIs are not intended to give the similar kind of response every time. So this is very strange thing I am going to tell you. If you click on, let's say you ask father's name of Shri Narendra Modi, he is Indian Prime Minister actually. If you click once, it may say something about Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi, song for status, he is paid close attention to his governance, whatever. But if I click on generate text again, you see the text is different. So it is not guaranteed that every time you will be receiving the same text again and again. So be informed. You see the name he has changed. His father's name is not Kashiram actually. It's Mulchand, I think. So what we cannot expect the same thing. You see his name is Damodar Das Mulchand Modi. His grandfather is Mulchand and Damodar Das is Narendra Modi's father's name. So okay, so I will walk you through the code actually, what this code is doing.